I just wanted to also touch on the technologies actually. So are there any particular technologies that you're looking for from startups point of view? Perhaps, or some areas of development that you guys think that are interesting in terms of what you're developing with Volvo and products that you're working on, but maybe they are under-penetrated right now?
Yeah, so I could say that when it comes to some areas are very familiar to us. When it comes to, let's say, building a machine, because we still do that. We build machines and develop that. That is, we have a more than 100-year tradition doing that, and that's quite a lot of knowledge built into that. But when it comes to new technologies, let's take the safety, which I mentioned. There's a lot of technology coming up with cameras, different sensors to identify progress, what people are doing on a site, predict things that are happening. Then we're into areas that are new to us, where we have some knowledge, but where we also benefit a lot from development in other areas. There can be development in autonomous cars that will move into construction equipment, for example.
What will happen first, autonomous cars on the roads or autonomous machines or vehicles on construction sites?
I think that autonomous cars has already happened, if at least in my opinion. If Waymo is doing 100,000 rides per week, that has happened. So I often get that question if I think it's gonna happen. I think it has happened. The closest for us is I would say trucks going. We have already a mine where we're operating 24/7 without anyone in the cabin in a mine. Autonomous. But the next step, I think, would be next year is autonomous
flying
trucks on the road in the US, going from hub to hub. And I would say construction equipment will come after that.
What about flying cars?
Flying cars, yeah.
Too noisy.
I get a lot of those companies, to be honest, and I'm super curious. I'm interested in everything, so I am in a way interested, but it's sort of a little bit outside our focus. I'm not a great believer in flying cars. Maybe it's my engineering background. I don't really see how that's going to work. To me, it's called a helicopter, and they've been around forever. So I don't know what you guys think, but
I agree with you 100%.